Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to embed Canva design to your Google Sites website. So first of all, you want to go ahead and open up your Canva design. When you have done with it, you're going to click share button right there. Then you're going to click more. And you can see here an embed sign, which you want to click. Then click embed and you want to copy it. Now you want to go back to Google Sites, open up your website or a project, and now I want to put it right there. So as you can see right there is embed option, so I'm just gonna click on it, and basically you can add URL or you can embed a code, which we're gonna do. So you basically paste it here. And when you pasted it, you're gonna click next. Now, as you can see, it looks like this. You wanna insert it. And let's make it bigger. And let's make it in the center. So that's how it looks like, guys. Then you're basically gonna publish it and it will save. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.